Space, the final frontier. Vast, mysterious, and full of wonder, and full of lies. That's right. Today we're debunking the top 5 space myths that you probably still believe. By the end, you'll realize the universe is far stranger and far more fascinating than the stories you've been told. Myth 1. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. Everyone's heard this one. The Great Wall is so massive, astronauts can see it from orbit. Reality check, not even close. Astronauts confirm that from low Earth orbit you can see cities, roads, and large structures, but the Great Wall, almost invisible. Why the myth? Humans love exaggeration. It makes the story bigger and grander. The takeaway, space is huge. What looks gigantic from Earth often disappears when you're orbiting hundreds of kilometers above. Myth 2, space is completely silent. Hollywood loves this. Starships explode with booming sounds in zero gravity, but sound can't travel without a medium. Space is basically a vacuum. You could yell, "Houston, we have a problem," and nothing. Total silence. Eerie, haunting silence. Some regions of space have faint particle sounds, but you'd need instruments to detect them. Moral of the story, every sci-fi explosion you've heard is purely cinematic. Myth 3, the sun is yellow. Look up, the sun seems yellow, right? Wrong. In reality, it's a blinding white. Yellow, orange, and red appearances are caused by Earth's atmosphere scattering sunlight. In space, the sun shines in brilliant white, showing every wavelength of light. Every photo of a yellow sun is influenced by Earth or filters. Nature doesn't use filters. Your eyes and camera do. Myth 4, you float because there's no gravity. That iconic image, astronauts floating like they're weightless. People imagine space as a zero-gravity paradise. The truth? Gravity exists everywhere, even aboard the International Space Station. Gravity is still 90% as strong as on Earth. Astronauts float because they're in continuous free fall around Earth, essentially surfing a perpetual curve, falling but never hitting the ground. Gravity isn't gone. Humans are just cleverly moving with it. Myth 5, black holes suck everything in like vacuum cleaners. Black holes have a terrifying reputation. Cosmic vacuum cleaners that swallow planets and stars. The truth? Black holes only affect objects that pass too close to their event horizon. Replace the sun with a black hole of equal mass and Earth would orbit normally. The myths make black holes sound terrifying, but reality is far more subtle and fascinating. They are dangerous, yes, but not universal vacuum monsters. Curiosity is the engine of discovery. Question what you hear. Look up, imagine. The universe doesn't care about your assumptions, only that you keep exploring, and that's way cooler than any myth.